Hello everyone, it's Elle from gmailfiend once again, and for this video I will be showing you guys how to enable the dark mode in Gmail. So first things first is of course access your Gmail account by going to mail.google.com, and once you have this page loaded over here, then you should be able to follow the steps of this tutorial. So once you have this page shown, what you have to do next is to just refer to your top right corner over here, the top right corner of the screen, and just click the gear icon. So this serves as your settings. So if you click that, then a sidebar will show up, and over here you can see the theme. So if you click view all, then a pop-up will show up. Now you can add photos or choose certain backgrounds, but if you want to enable the dark mode, just scroll a little bit downwards and you will see that we are currently using the default theme of Gmail. So if you want to enable dark mode, just click this one. It's beside the default one. So as you can see, it says dark. So if you click that, wait for it to load, and there you go. Let's click save. And as you can see, we now have the dark mode in Gmail on your computer. So yes, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you tune in for more.